Among Us lang ko. Bro, what the frick? First two. Super dasok. No. Maybe. Yari, kung di bala before pero na dead. Bro. Hindi mo pa na siya ma-appreciate subong. Okay, ga-recover. Oh, pareha sila. Yung pinagusto ko order na yun. Wala akong nalain-lain.
Yung nag-bump si Pal.
Uy, doble galing. Oh, my phone lang. Huh? Oh, my phone. I really need a big pot for this. Cute, cute. So cutie. Okay, manimos ko. Putak. Bye, guys. Hey guys, sorry na ako in order from Benguet. They're so pretty. Oh my gosh. Hey, ari na ang aton nga roast cabbage. Look. So cute. And then my freebie from the seller. Oh my gosh.
Mura lang nito, pero ang gaganda na nitong storage basket.
This is very healthy. Bala.